You slept 8 hours last night, maybe even 9, and yet, right now, you're exhausted. Your eyes are heavy, your brain feels foggy, and you're already counting down to bedtime. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you're not broken, but something is seriously wrong with your sleep, and it has nothing to do with how many hours you're getting. In this video, we're going to show you exactly why this is happening, and more importantly, what you can do about it starting tonight. We've all been taught that sleep is simple. Get 7 to 9 hours and you're good. But here's what nobody tells you. Sleep quality and sleep quantity are completely different things. You can spend 9 hours in bed and barely get any real restorative sleep. And that's exactly what's happening to millions of people around the world right now. There are 4 stages of sleep your body cycles through every night. And if anything disrupts those cycles, you wake up feeling like you never slept at all. Let's break down what's actually robbing you of real rest. Reason number 1: blue light. Every night, most people spend the last hour before bed scrolling on their phone, watching TV, or staring at a laptop screen. Here's the problem: your brain produces a hormone called melatonin to make you sleepy. But blue light from screens tells your brain it's still daytime and completely shuts down melatonin production. So even if you fall asleep at midnight, your brain never got the signal to properly prepare for deep sleep. The result? You sleep for 8 hours, but your body barely recovers. The fix is simple. Stop screens 60 minutes before bed. Use dim, warm lighting instead. Your melatonin will kick in naturally, and your sleep quality will transform. Reason number 2: your sleep schedule is all over the place. You go to bed at 10 p.m. on Monday, then 1 a.m. on Friday, then sleep in until noon on Saturday. Sound familiar? Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. When you keep changing your sleep and wake times, you confuse this clock completely. Your body never knows when to prepare for sleep or when to wake up feeling refreshed. Scientists call this social jet lag, and it's as damaging to your body as flying across time zones every single week. The fix? Pick a wake up time and stick to it, even on weekends. Within just 2 weeks, your body will lock into a rhythm and you'll start waking up naturally feeling actually rested. Reason number 3: your sleep environment is working against you. Most people never think about this, but your room temperature, light levels, and noise are silently destroying your sleep cycles every night. Research shows the ideal sleep temperature is between 16 and 19 degrees Celsius. When it's too hot, your body can't lower its core temperature, and deep sleep becomes nearly impossible. Even small amounts of light, like a street light through a curtain or a phone charging light, can disrupt your body's melatonin production while you sleep. The fix? Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains. Keep your phone across the room. Drop the temperature. These 3 changes alone can add hours of quality sleep to your night. So let's recap. You're tired all the time because of 3 things: blue light killing your melatonin, an inconsistent sleep schedule confusing your body clock, and a sleep environment that's fighting against you. Tonight, try just one of these fixes. Turn off your screens an hour before bed. Set one consistent wake up time. Make your room darker and cooler. Do that for 7 days. And come back and tell me in the comments how you feel. I genuinely want to know. If this video helped you, subscribe to Vital Mind. We post science-backed health tips every week to help you feel your best. I'll see you in the next one.